how to create budget on Revolut. So if you would like to create a budget on Revolut, it is very simple to do so. All you have to do is go ahead and first of all make sure to launch the Revolut application. Once you launch the Revolut app, this is the interface that you will be able to see. Now from here, what you have to do is tap on the analytics icon from the very top right of the screen, right? So once you've done that, on the next page you'll become to the analytics page where you can see an option called budget. The plus icon indicates set your budget goal. So all you have to do is tap on the set your budget goal option, set a certain budget depending upon the currency that you use and the monthly cycle, then just hit the continue button, and once done you will be able to set your budget on Revolut. So I hope that this video helped you on how you can set your budget on Revolut or create a budget. If you have got any further questions, feel free to also leave them down in the comment section below. As always, thank you very much for watching till the end of this tutorial, and see you soon in our next video.